Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. And if you look, this one is underneath this one is underneath that one, this one's underneath. But when they come to around the top, the last one they do is on top. And it needs to be on the back. So how do you do that? And I kind of dissected his plan and put it here. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. He rotated it 30 degrees. So I'm just going to hit Control D all the way around. Now, this one should be on top of that one, but it should be behind that one. So several ways you could do this. And I find that lately the easiest thing to do would be to make a duplicate of that one and move it over. Make a duplicate of that one. I'm hitting the plus key on my keyboard and moving it over. This is the intersection that we want to reverse. There's really kind of no other way to do it. So we're going to take a rectangle and I'm going to have the rectangle selected, and then I'm going to hit the shift key and select this side. And then I'm going to go up to intersect. And what that did, that intersected that. And if I move it over and go up to object in order and front of page, now they are all and you've got a little bit of problem with your drawing. Well, maybe that's on purpose. I shouldn't say that. Let's Control G to group it together. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And let's hit P and let's put a black. Maybe he wanted to do that. Maybe that was on the plan. Let's see what it looks like with a black box. Yeah, maybe that was the plan. Well, you can kind of see through it. So, I mean, if that's the plan, great. If it's not, I would maybe redraw that. But it might still look good on a shirt or something. I don't know what it's for. But if you notice now, every one of them is front of that one and then goes behind. And front goes behind. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.